I'm Ron McMillan from Morrisburg, Ontario. I own the company Toy Storage. We haul oversized boats. And we found this Mack 3 years ago in a barn in Cobden, Ontario. And we've been decided to buy it up and restore it, two of my sons and I. And obviously my wife, she puts up with a lot of this crap. So that's where we are with the Mack. And that was the first truck I ever drove full time, was an R model Mack. So that basically was... It was, in a nutshell, we had to buy it and had to do it.
How old were you when you started trucking?
Before I had a license, I drove dump truck for my brother.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so at the ripe old age of 18, when you could actually do it legally, that's when I hit the highway and started going all over the place.
And you go to shows frequently?
We've only been in this. We brought the other truck 3 years ago, was the first here. So the Mack's the first time here. We've done a couple of the convoys with Charlie Tackaberry with both trucks, but they're both completely finished. And
what's the engine and all that in the Mack?
The Mack's a two-stick with a little 300 Mack. She's a thoroughbred. So it's not a powerhouse, but it's fun to drive. In the first 15 minutes, you do a lot of concentrating with the two gear shifts. But yeah, other than that, she turned out well. We chromed it up too. We like to do that, but it basically, they call us a purist because we like to do it the way it come out of the factory. That's why it has a black bumper and whatnot, but that's where we're at with that truck. So that was my brother. And we started building this, and it was at the paint shop, and he passed away. And at the funeral, his wife had all the pictures of all his old trucks. That was the color. It's Ford colors. The blue and the gray are all 1980 Ford colors. And I like everything old. I think my newest work truck's an 07, and that's just because it was there, right? So our exhaust is custom made by a little guy named J.F. Racine. We bought a length of stainless steel pipe and took it to him, and I had a drawing, and he's very quick at picking that up, so it comes back and it's perfect. So we always like to put our own little, I guess, marking on the truck that we did it.
Go for it.
So the breather cap is original with this truck. So we had to take it and rub it with stainless cleaner forever. And I had lost the rubber mount that goes here. And I couldn't remember where I put it. So we improvised. I took a 6-inch muffler clamp, stainless, and that's how we got it up that high. But this breather is new to this truck. It came from a fire truck in Hamilton, Ontario. It looked like it had just come out of the box, but it was cherry red. It was something.